Welcome back to RC 101 with the Taoist Flyer. Do you have the urge to drop items on your friends' heads from a safe distance? Well, Silverlit's finally given us this opportunity with the Heli Express, the first 3-channel gyro-stabilized helicopter with a crane. And it has a removable claw that can carry and drop items like the included cargo boxes and things you make yourself like little paper bombs. It's a really ingenious mechanism. You lower the crane and slide it through the hole in top of whatever you want to carry. Then, when you're ready to drop it, you raise the crane until it pushes the top of the claw against the helicopter, which causes it to open and drop the item. It works really well, and it's very accurate, so you can play a game of helicopter basketball with your friends without any trouble. The helicopter is a lot heavier than the Airhawk's heli crane, and the cable isn't as long, but the claw's ability to drop items in mid-air and the helicopter's stability make up for it. When it comes to how much weight the helicopter can carry, on a full charge I was able to get it to lift a quarter and a dime and drop it off. It was about the maximum amount of weight that it could hold, so combined with the basket and the claw, it can lift about 8 grams. It's along the same lines as the Silverlit Heli Blaster and Helicam. It flies for about 8 minutes and charges from the transmitter in about 30. It's a stable helicopter, and it's very precise when it comes to its ability to maneuver over a target and drop things. The crane can be lowered and raised with the left and right buttons on the top of the transmitter, and it actually lets you raise and lower the crane tiny bits at a time for maximum precision. It's easy for beginners to fly, and for advanced pilots, it's great for playing basketball and handing things off to people, but it isn't easy to pick things up with. The cable is pretty short, and the claw isn't as good at snagging things as the Airhawk's heli crane is. But it is really good at flying around and dropping things, and I have to admit, I've had a heck of a lot of fun with it. If you have the chance, you should definitely check it out. And again, a special thanks to FlyingToys.com for letting us check this one out. We had a lot of fun with it. Stay tuned for more RC 101 with the Taoist Flyer.